A simple plan to make a birthday unforgettable.
Lena, we totally forgot. Ava's birthday is this Monday.
What? Are you serious? That's only 2 days away.
Yes, we really need to find her something special before it's too late.
Okay, let's think. She loves painting, reading, and fashion.
Right, and remember, a few weeks ago, she told me she wants to start learning watercolor painting.
Oh, yes, I remember that. That's a perfect idea.
Exactly. If we get her a good watercolor kit, she'll have no excuse not to start.
And maybe we can add something else, so it feels like a complete birthday package.
Definitely. Let's go to the mall and see what we can find.
Great. We can grab coffee while we shop. Wow, it's so crowded today. Everyone's out shopping.
Typical Saturday. Let's start with the gift shops on this floor.
Good idea. Should we stay together or split up?
Maybe split up so we can cover more stores quickly.
All right. Let's meet in 1 hour at Bluewood Cafe to compare what we've found.
Sounds like a plan. See you there. Hi, I'm looking for a unique gift for my friend's birthday. She loves art, especially painting.
We have a few art sets. Is there a specific style she likes?
Yes, she actually mentioned she wants to learn watercolor painting.
Perfect. This watercolor kit is one of our best sellers. It comes with brushes, paints, and paper.
That sounds ideal. How much is it?
It's $45.
Nice. I'll keep it in mind. Thanks.
Of course. Anything else you're looking for?
Not for now. Thanks for your help.
Hey, did you find anything interesting?
Yes, I found a beautiful watercolor kit. It's complete and perfect for beginners.
That's amazing. I looked at some jewelry, but I'm not sure. Ava doesn't wear necklaces that often.
True. What else caught your eye?
I think we should check the bookstore. Ava loves reading and books always make great gifts.
Agreed. Let's go there after we finish our coffee.
Perfect. And maybe we can also find some nice wrapping paper there.
Good thinking.
Hi. We're looking for some good romance novels for a friend's birthday.
Sure. Do you know what kind of romance she prefers? Historical, contemporary, or light-hearted?
We're not sure yet. Could you recommend a few popular ones?
Absolutely. This section is our best sellers. Many customers love them.
Thanks. Lena, do any of these look interesting to you?
Yes, I've read this before and I loved it. And I've heard so much about this one from friends.
So, now we have 3 options: paint set, necklace, or the books. All good choices. Maybe we can combine 2? Let's do the books and the watercolor kit. What do you think?
I think she'll love them. And also, since we're here, let's pick some wrapping paper too. They have such beautiful designs. Look at this pink one.
That's perfect for Ava's style. Do you think we should also get a ribbon?
Yes, a gold ribbon would match nicely.
All right, let's get 2 meters of ribbon and 1 roll of this paper.
Perfect. Now we just need something sweet.
Hi, we'd like to order a strawberry cake for pickup in 2 days.
Sure. Any special message on it?
Yes, please write Happy Birthday, Ava in pink icing.
Got it. What size would you like?
Medium, enough for 8 people.
Perfect. It will be ready by 10 a.m. on her birthday.
Thank you.
So, we have 3 romance novels, a watercolor painting kit, wrapping paper, ribbon, and a custom strawberry cake.
That's the perfect birthday bundle. Ava's going to feel so loved.
And we still have time to wrap everything tomorrow.
And that wraps up another fun animation journey in Language Leap. If you enjoyed this video, remember to watch it a few times and practice with it throughout the week to keep your English skills at their best. The journey of language learning is full of adventure and joy, so embrace every moment and keep going with all your energy. And finally, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on future videos. I'd also love to hear from you. Share your thoughts about this video in the comments. And if you have ideas for future topics, let me know down below. Your feedback really helps shape the next lessons.